Hey girl, hey, it's your girl XO Ayana back with another video. Today I have Ardell individual faux mink lashes. And I'm going to be doing DIY lash extensions. So I have the faux mink lashes in short, and I have the faux mink lashes in medium. I wanted to use long ones as well, but they didn't have any, so we're just gonna work with what we got. I also have the regular Ardell individual lashes. I have these in short, medium, and long. So maybe depending on how the faux mink lashes come out, I'll use some of the regular long ones as well. So what you're gonna need for our DIY lash extensions, you're gonna need your individual lashes, of course. You're also gonna need your lash glue. I use the Ardell lash glue in black. This is the Lash Tight Dark Adhesive. Originally, I used this lash glue that came with a big pack of Ardell lashes, the clear glue. I don't suggest using the clear glue because when it dries, it looks like it gets crusty and it looks like you have pink eye, which is what my mom told me I looked like I had pink eye, so I don't suggest that. But you also want to make sure that you have the remover for when you're ready to take your lashes off. Before you start, you want to make sure that your natural lashes are clean and ready to go. You want to make sure there's no gunk or oil so that your individual lashes stick the best. So I'm going to be using some micellar water, and I'm just going to use that on a cotton pad and just wipe my eyes just to make sure that there's no gunk or dirt or anything that might interfere with the application of your individual lashes. Now I'm going to be taking a spoolie and just separating out my lashes, making sure they're nice and combed through so that they'll look nice underneath the individual lashes that we're going to apply. I also forgot to mention that you'll be needing some tweezers. I like these tweezers with the pointy end. Those have been working the best for me. I'm going to begin with medium lashes. I'm going to start on the outer edge and then work my way to the inner corner, and then I'm going to use the short lashes for the inner corner. You want to get your black glue and you just want to put a little bit in a tray. So I'm just going to start off with a little dot because it dries up really quickly and you don't want to waste it. So I'm just going to start with a little dot, and as it dries up, I'll put some more onto my little tray. Right, so you want to just gently remove your lash from the tray. And you just have this little lash, and then you just dip the end of it into the glue. And then I'm going to be using the under method, so meaning I'm going to apply the individual lashes underneath my lash line rather than on top of my lashes. That's just what works best for me. So I'm going to see if I can zoom it in. So like I said, you just want to get a little bit of glue at the end of your lash, and then I'm applying it under, and then you want to apply it to the bottom part of your lash line underneath your lashes, and you want to put it on your lashes as close to the lash line as possible, but not on your actual skin. You just use the tweezers to kind of adjust the lashes where you want them to go. I'm gonna apply them spaced out, and then I'm gonna go back and fill in the gaps just so that way I give each lash a chance to dry and I don't apply wet lashes on top of wet lashes. Alright, since I'm close to the inner corner now, I'm going to apply some of the short lashes. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in and add some of the long ones just to give it some wispiness and so that the shape isn't so straight. Yeah, to give it some wispiness. But I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do that on camera. Rude. Alright, now I'm going to do the rest off camera. I'll do the other eye off camera, and I'll come back and let you know what's up. Alright, so I went off camera and I did the other eye, as you can see. So now both eyes are done. Let me zoom you in so you can see. So again, that is the final look. So again, I used the Ardell faux mink individual lashes, which are these. I really like them. They look really natural. I also used just the regular Ardell individual lashes, and I just used the long ones to flare it out a little bit and give it some more dimension and length and wispiness. So yeah, that is the final look. You can get all these items that I used today from Sally's or Walmart. I got mine from Sally's personally. The faux mink lashes cost a little bit more than the regular individuals, but I think they're worth it. They look really natural and they're really easy to put on. Also, another tip, you want to make sure you get the lashes that say not free. Those to me look way more natural and they're a lot easier to put on. Thank you guys for watching. That was my DIY eyelash tutorial. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Also, while you're here, you might as well subscribe. You might as well go ahead and like. If you have any other suggestions or anything, just comment down below. Alright, thanks. Bye.